Check him out. Bismo Funyuns is trying to nurse on his older brother. I tried to take him to his mama. There's no nipples there, boy. What a funny little kitten you are. I wonder if he's ever going to cut it out. Come here, Bismo. Meow. Red, you sure are good letting him do that. Well, we got some hitchhikers on you. What are you doing? Yeah, you got shit all over you. You gonna meow? I don't care how hard you look, you're not gonna find a nipple. It's the wrong cat. It is the wrong cat. Hilarious. I cannot wait to show Larry that you're letting him do this, Red. That is fucked up. Alright, later.